Hi, I'm Matt Adams with Viavi Solutions, a product line manager with our photonics group. Today I'm at OFC 2025 talking to you about one of the biggest issues on the trade floor this year, and that is scaling transceiver manufacturing. Across all of the different segments, whether it's AI/ML, O-band architectures, DR8, FR4, LR4 formats, or whether it's parallel optics, like those solutions required by CPO, or if it's coherent, ZR, ZR+, and ultra-high line rate metro systems, how we manufacture and how we deliver on the industry forecasts and the requirements that are being demanded of us today is a major topic. A big part of that solution space at Viavi, of course, is the MAP 300, the photonic platform that allows us to evaluate the photonic properties in manufacturing of all of those formats. The benefit of having a modular platform, of course, is that we can mix and match modules to deliver value in any of the specific formats we're talking about. Whether it's an O-band architecture around FR4 or DR8, whether it's an architecture for parallel optics like those going to be required by CPO, or the more sophisticated, higher-end solutions for coherent with the particular challenge around reach and OSNR, we can also configure the MAP 300 to those formats. With the highest density on the market, with the ability to scale and ramp and produce in volume, the MAP 300 is a key element to solving that ramp challenge that the industry has with transceivers. For more information, please contact a local sales representative or feel free to visit us at viavisolutions.com.